Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use MailerLite for email marketing 2024. And basically, this is the landing page inside MailerLite. And MailerLite is basically used to email subscribers. That's the main idea. Create email campaigns, create forms, create websites for your process, and basically marketing, that's it. Now, once you're here, simply click on sign up. And as you can see right there, there is a 30-day free trial, premium features, no credit card required. It's a very good option to see and test the waters if you're good for MailerLite. Next up, once you sign up, and then you'll see this one. So it will ask you for your company organization name, email address, and password to create your account. However, I've used two options here, sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft. This way is faster, so please check them out. Basically, I am more on Google. And as you can see right there, they have a 30-day free trial as promised from the first landing page. They have a 24/7 live chat support for 30 days. And basically, we're good to go here. So after creating your account, you'll go on this dashboard. So this is gonna be the inside of MailerLite after signing up. Just answer a few questions and then you'll be directed on this part. On the left side, you'll see campaigns, subscribers, forms, sites, and automation. And also, they have account settings there, file manager, and so on and so forth. Now for this video, we're gonna create a campaign, of course. Click on campaigns right there, and then create your first campaign. Click on create button right here. So we'll ask you to choose what kind of campaign. You have regular, A/B split, RSS, auto resend campaign, and multivariate campaign. I'm gonna go to regular and just answer a few questions here. For example, campaign name, I'm gonna go for tutorial. Subject, let's just say for this one, YouTube tutorial. Again guys, this is gonna be by your own preference. Even though you're seeing a lot here regarding YouTube tutorial, if you have your own preference, please input them. Next up, pre-header. Use this area to offer a short preview for your email contents. So for this one, let's just say, I'm gonna click an email sample, like so. And recipients, of course, choose all active subscribers like this one. Again, they are user-friendly. You have an inbox preview here if you have a lot of emails right now, but since we don't have just yet, we're good here. And by the way guys, regarding subject, you'll see in this notice. So generate subject line ideas with AI generator assistance. This is a new feature regarding MailerLite. Before, they don't have this one, and you can also click on this drop down and some emojis right there to work with. So if you click on this suggest AI, for example, if I click on that one, it will give us a line generator. For example, it will just ask us regarding e-commerce and such, and then you click on generate. Let's try this right now. I'm just gonna type in tutorial, video, click on generate, and let's see what kind of subject line will MailerLite give us. So this is the subject line. I'm gonna go with this one. Perfect, easy as that. Now I'm gonna click on UTM tags to track all of my analytics. Of course, I can also enable and disable this one by your own preference. The language, of course, I'm gonna go with the universal language of English. Click on next. And let's see what's up for the next one. So the next one will be designing. You can start from scratch. You can choose the email gallery right there. There are a lot of templates here to work with. And before guys, trust me, they don't have these templates. You need to start from scratch. They have recent emails, so I don't have this yet because this is a free account or a new account. Now I'm gonna go with start from scratch here. I'm gonna choose from drag and drop editor, rich text editor, and of course, for all of those coders out there, this is for you, HTML editor, but this is for experts. I'm gonna go with the most basic one, drag and drop, click on it. So welcome to the platform where you can edit your campaign. Basically, if you're familiar with Canva, HubSpot, basically they have the same options on the left side. However, the difference is they also have options on the right side. So this is gonna be your campaign. You can edit as you see fit. If you hover your mouse on each sections, you'll see some tools on the top part. You have template, you can edit, you can dynamic content right there. You can copy or remove like so. You can sort it, move down and move up, or even just move it as you see fit. And now if you click on company right there, you'll see on the logo navigations over here. And basically you can add some padding. You can move it lower. You can change the about section, the HTML. You can add the link on this option. You can change the menu border. You can change the background color also. If I change the background color to red, let's see what will happen. Perfect. And right here, I'm just a little looking for something. The hyperlinking. I think it will be this one, replace image. If you click on replace image right there, it will go to your file manager. And right here, just upload an image. Since we don't have an image as yet, I'm gonna upload my logo. So it's uploading as of now. And click on insert. And that logo will go straightly on your campaign. You can edit as you see fit. You can hyperlink it. For example, open link in the new tab. Or if you don't want, it's really up to you. But for now, I'm just gonna type, for example, youtube.com right here. Perfect. And basically with that one, I have hyperlinked it with this option right there. I can edit the image here. I think this is a minor Canva or Paint. Anyway, let's move on with the next one. You can also add some text here as you see fit. Edit everything you see here on the left side. You can navigate. There's a hero also for extended hero. You can drag and drop right there. Sections, for example. Elements right here. For example, you want a compelling headline. Place it right there. You have some e-commerce products right here. Place it right there. Again, this is the drag and drop option, so it's pretty simple. You can also have your social media over here. For example, if you want to share your Facebook post like so, you can do so also right here. So again, the only option here, or the only reason here to have your quality decline would be by your own preference. The limit here would be your imagination, basically. And then once you're good here, you can preview and test first before saving it. So I'm gonna click on this one, preview mode or no. You can check it for send test email or preview mode if it's perfectly working. But for now, I'm gonna click on save first. I'm gonna click on done editing. So after clicking on that done editing, I will be directed on this last one. So if you take your part or notice on the upper left section, you have your details, content, and right now I have review and schedule. Content is the one where we edit it. Review or details was the one where we input our headline earlier, the first part. So we're on the third part and last, if I am not mistaken. So for review and schedule, the campaign details are right here. You can just preview as you see fit. Send test email button right there. Edit content if you have something to change. So ready to get started, confirm your account to start sending emails and publishing notes. You can confirm right here, but for now I'm gonna remain as it is. And with that one, we're good to go. I'm just gonna choose a sample here, for example, schedule a campaign. You can send now, send later, or based on time zones. After clicking on that one, as you can see, the gray option is right here. We need to confirm our account just yet. So give me a second here, I'm gonna confirm it. Now welcome back. After confirming my email and such, I will arrive on this notification. So your form will be submitted and reviewed within 24 hours. In the meantime, you'll still have access to the campaign, automation, and website builders. Now that being said, you just need to wait and check after 24 hours regarding this campaign. Once you go back on the dashboard, you'll see under campaign, on drafts, this is the one we created earlier, still under review. After being reviewed, you can post it and have it published online. So if you click on the section right here, for example, subscribers, you'll see on this option right here, you can add your subscribers. You can email them right here. Perfectly, I have 1 subscriber as of now. And then if you click on forms, you can create your first pop-up form here. I think I have a video regarding HubSpot forms, so please check it out and compare which one is your preference. And then you can have your website builder right here and automations over here. So if you notice, everything you need inside email campaigning or marketing campaign is inside MailerLite. So let's check the pricing. So this is gonna be the pricing inside MailerLite. Right now I have free. Next up is $10 per month and $20 for advance. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.